Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to post a story on Instagram. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to post your story, you have to click on this option, your story, or you can also swipe left your screen like this to create a new story. And you can take the picture to post to your story like this. Just click on the button, and after that you can click on your story to share it. But before it, you can add a text or add sticker by clicking on this button. If you want to add sticker, you can click on the sticker button, and if you want to add text, you can click on this button. Alright, and after that you can click on your story to post your story to Instagram. And wait for a moment, and let's check it together, guys. And alright, this is the story that I have just posted to Instagram, and that's how we can post story on Instagram. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.